Welcome, Alan Krantz. Thank you for joining us. And yes, that's what we're going to talk about is the wars in general, some additional risks. So, sectors that might be, it might be detrimental to sectors that it might. Uh, I hate to say war is positive or anything, but some sectors that may go up during times of war, and in particular, we'll look at the current ongoing conflicts, the Israeli-Hamas and also the Russia-Ukraine. So in general, during times of war, and again, we saw this both previously in the Ukraine-Russia conflict and also in the Israeli-Hamas current conflict, the flight to safety risk off. People tend to go to, when they do this flight to safety risk off, they tend to go to U.S. Treasuries, perceived low-risk stocks like the Magnificent Seven. So earlier in the week, we saw the Magnificent Seven, the mega cap techs, get a boost, Microsoft, NVIDIA, etc., irregardless of other factors. That's perceived as a new risk-off move. Again, we saw that surge in gold and silver. Again, typical flight to safety risk-off move. They fly to gold and silver, and it's a negative or higher risk asset. So again, we saw technology in general get hit. We saw the Russell IWM. So again, higher risk, perceived higher risk assets it's going to be a negative for them. It's positive, obviously, for defense stocks. So we'll look at the DEFN ETF. We also have another, I think it's ITA is another defense ETF. Also, your typical major defense contractors, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon, etc. You've got ammunition stocks like POWW. You heard the need both in Israel and Ukraine for ammunition. Also, you're hearing, nowadays war also includes, cyber attacks, so as well as normal security. So you'll see a boost in companies that provide security, cybersecurity like Palantir, etc. And it's a big negative for international travel. Obviously, people are not going to travel to regions where there's an ongoing war, and it'll have a potentially longer-term impact of concerns. People are not going to want to travel. They're going to be concerned to travel to the Middle East more so than prior to this war due to what's happening, the continuing instability, etc. So specifically, so again, when we talk about international travel, that impacts international airlines, cruise lines, resorts, etc. Anything having to do with travel to those regions. So it's good to Alan was asking about sectors to avoid is travel, particularly international travel. We may see a shift more towards some domestic travel. We'll see. Specifically with this Israel versus Hamas war, obviously we saw the impact on oil. Oil surged back up over 85, continues to uptrend even though we're getting more storage supply, more rig counts. The price of oil will probably continue to go up due to concerns of the impact on overall supply. Also, Alan, as you were mentioning, if the war expands, includes Iran or further sanctions or just more actually enforcing sanctions on Iranian oil and or Russian oil will curtail the supply, and that will drive oil prices further up. So again, oil will probably continue to go up due to concerns in the region regarding this conflict. Also, it was interesting, I heard concern about Iran participating or being involved in the war was that there's a significant amount of liquefied natural gas that comes out of Qatar, goes through the Straits of Hormuz, and Iran in the past has mined that straits or captured ships in those straits. So if they impede the supply of oil and or natural gas in that Straits of Hormuz, that might also cause up to a further, increase in natural gas prices. Also, there's concerns over companies based in Israel, based in the Middle East, etc. Are their employees being recruited or called up or participating in the war? Is it impacting their companies' ongoing business for those companies? And what are the concerns relative to that? And we're going to look at some Israel. We'll talk about Israel-based and Middle East-based ETFs. And again, a reason I wanted to do our strategies prior to looking at the individual ETFs. Also, as we saw with the Ukraine versus Russia war, we saw an upsurge in wheat and some other agricultural products. Again, there's an ongoing debate whether they will continue to have a deal to allow Ukraine wheat out. So that may cause, again, a catalyst for increased wheat prices and possibly other agricultural products. And again, this war is ongoing. And we also saw natural gas. There's, discussions about if any supplies of natural gas are going to come out of Russia to Europe, and then we'll see if the winter of Europe is colder than it was last year. That may also drive up natural gas prices. So again, I hope this helps identify some sectors that may go up or down based on wars in general, and also the current ongoing wars in the Middle East and in the Ukraine. So just in general, before I jumped back to our ETFs, other strategies to be aware of. We talked about the seasonality trend in October, so you can refer to our previous discussions and videos on how to make money trading in October, make money trading in the fall. So again, we have links to all those previous videos in the notes, so you can quickly reference them there, and also on our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. So now I'll go back to our ETF Google Sheet, and we can look at some Israel, Middle East-based ETFs, as well as those involved in these sectors that we identified that may be impacted by wars. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to
produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want and deserve to be able to live the Beach Bum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards. We hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new Beach Bum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow Beach Bum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.